Hello everyone and welcome to Kiddofinance Daily News Roundup for Kids for 28th March 2024. Today we have two news that we would like to discuss with you. One is about RBI announcing the temporary halt on collection of rupees 2000 notes on 1st of April 2024 to facilitate the annual closing work at RBI. RBI will start collecting the notes again from 2nd April 2024. As you all know, rupees 2000 notes were withdrawn some time back, and as of today almost 97% plus of these old notes have already been collected by the RBI. The second news that we have is the essential medicines will be costing slightly more starting 1st April 2024. A little explaining on what is this essential medicines. So there is a National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority which maintains a national list of essential medicines. All the rates of these medicines are fixed, and the price ceiling, they are sold below this NLEM, so that these drugs, which are these medicines which are very important for us, are available to everybody at an affordable rate. The price of these medicines is linked to the wholesale price index. So whenever the wholesale price index goes up on an annual basis, the government does relook at the NLEM also. So this year's increase, a very slight increase, is because of the 12.12% annual change in the wholesale price index that has been done this year. Now for some trivia. Did you know that this medicine price control actually has a effect on the balance sheets of pharmaceutical companies which are manufacturing these essential medicines? Because the price is controlled outside their purview, they have to realign their plans according to whatever price is fixed by the NPPA. Moving on to the important closing rates, the BSE Sensex showed a rise from 72,996 on 27th March to 73,651 on 28th March. Gold has also shown an increase. We are also covering the US dollar, Great Britain pound and the euro rates here. Markets, the BSE will be closed on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. However, we will be covering the table in our daily broadcasts on the next 3 days also. Thank you for tuning in. Jai Hind.